So the next one is what? The for two positive charges, what will be the pattern of the equipotential surface? Suppose this is plus charge, this is plus q charge. For this plus q charge, both are repelling each other. So you can see that the field line can proceed towards this direction. Why? Because here another positive charge is placed. So what will be the pattern of the equipotential surface there? So the pattern will be such like so you can see that this region is more crowded here because the field strength is more over there, and in this case also the field strength is more this side, so the equipotential surface will be closer. Such a pattern will be produced over there. Okay. So now our next topic is that some numericals we will practice from potential energy and some few topics. Okay. So if I say here, so please everybody screenshot or take its pictures. This is for actually two positive charges. Now if I say two charges are separated by a distance between their line joining, if I say some distance over there, at which point, at what distance from one charge the potential is zero. Such type of numericals you already practiced in the previous chapter. So many questions is over there. So if I say here one charge is minus 2 microcoulomb and another charge is 4 microcoulomb and the distance of separation is suppose 15 centimeter. And the question is at which point between the line joining the potential is zero. Basic questions. So for this type of questions what you have to write? If I write here the numerical two charges, one is minus 2 microcoulomb and another is 4 microcoulomb are placed at a distance (15 centimeter). Find the position between their line joining. Find the position between their line joining where the resultant potential between these two charges became. So if I consider that particular point is here and this is P, and how much distance from minus 2 microcoulomb, suppose x. So what will be the remaining distance here? 15 minus x. Now you know the formula for potential, k cube upon r. For minus 2 microcoulomb one potential is there and for 4 microcoulomb one potential is there. So we have to write here resultant potential at P, that is V equals to what? Resultant potential at P, that will be equals to what? 0. And you know that this resultant potential is a combination of two potential for this charge and for this charge. So we can write V1 plus V2 equals to 0. In place of V1, what we can write? K Q1 upon R1 plus K Q2 upon R2 equals to what? 0. Now in place of K we have to write K. In place of Q1, what you have to write? Minus 2 microcoulomb. Micro means what? 10 to the power minus 6. What is the distance? X over there. Just we are writing from the basic formula. Okay. So now another is K, and what is the value of Q2? That is 4 microcoulomb. That is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6, and the distance of separation from the charge is 15 minus x. You can change it into meter over there by multiplying 10 to the power minus 2. So from this 2 we can see that there is one minus signs over there. That indicates what? This becomes what? As this is minus, so it became minus here. So if I take that side, so we can write K into 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 15 minus x into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to what? K into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon x into 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 2 cancel out. K and K cancel out. 10 to the power minus 6 cancel out. So 4 upon 15 minus x equals to 2 upon x. So if I cross multiply here, that will be 4x equals to what? 2 into 15 minus x. That is 4x. That is 4x equals to what? 30 minus 2x. From this 4x plus 2x equals to 30. So 6x equals to what? 30. So x equals to what? 30 upon 6. And that gives you what? 5 centimeter. Okay. Actually here you cannot, if you wish, it is not needed to compulsory to convert it here into meter, because as it is in the both sides here, so it will be cancelled out now, the unit of systems. So what is the value of x? 5 centimeter. So your answer will be from minus 2 microcoulomb charge at a distance 5 centimeter, the resultant potential becomes what? 0. So what will be the answer? From minus 2 microcoulomb charge at a distance 5 centimeter, the resultant potential became 0. Okay. This is one pattern of questions here. তো যারা বাংলায় চাইছো তাদেরকে বলছি যে দুটো চার্জ রাখা ছিল, বলেছে দুটো চার্জের মধ্যে কোন পয়েন্টে নেট পটেনশিয়াল 0 হবে। তা পটেনশিয়ালের ফর্মুলা তো সবাই জানি, কি? K Q বাই R। তো আমি ধরে নিয়েছি টোটাল ডিসটেন্স ছিল 15 সেন্টিমিটার, একটা চার্জ থেকে ধরেছি x, বাকিটা হবে অবভিয়াসলি 15 মাইনাস x। তো একবার ওই চার্জটার জন্য পটেনশিয়াল, যেটাকে আমি V1 বলেছি, আর একটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ +4 মাইক্রোকুলম্বের জন্য যে আমার পটেনশিয়াল, তাকে V2